Ever felt grounded by overwhelmingly crowded commercial flights? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a high-flying journey that might just change your perspective on private jet rentals. As an industry insider with a decade of aviation experience, I've seen it all now, from luxury mid-sized jets to state-of-the-art ultra-long-range jets, and I'm eager to guide you through the exciting world of private jet rental costs. We all love sky-high luxury, don't we? But private jets, as lavish as they are, come with a price tag that is often as high as their cruising altitude. Let's do a little cloud math, shall we? Consider the variables at play: aircraft type, distance, fuel costs, destination fees, and passenger count, among others. But here's the curveball. There are potential hidden costs, such as de-icing or overnight parking, that can throw you a costly surprise. A turboprop may cost approximately $1,200, $1,800 per hour. Light jets range between $2,000 and $3,000 per hour, and the costs mount for larger jets, with ultra-long-range jets landing at around $9,000 per hour. But wait, aren't commercial flights cheaper, you ask? Comparing apples to apples, one could argue yes. But remember, time is money. The value of private jets lies in their convenience, flexibility, and privacy. Throw in the absence of long security lines, flight delays, cancellations, and it quickly becomes clear: private is priceless. Enjoying the privacy of a private jet flight. Let's bring it down from the clouds with a real-life story. Imagine a business that had an important meeting postponed last minute. Commercial flight rescheduling would be a nightmare. However, with private jet flexibility, they rescheduled the flight and landed in time for the meeting, a win for the team and the business. Are discounts possible within the private jet airspace? If you're an eagle-eyed traveler, there's a good chance you can swoop in on some notable deals. Some charter companies offer last-minute, one-way, or return leg discounts, and membership programs can yield significant savings and even reward flying miles. The sky's the limit for savvy flyers. Switching gears, let's talk green. With the mounting concerns about environmental impacts, carbon offset programs offer a great way to keep your journeys more eco-friendly. Many private jet charter companies are implementing measures, rendering your luxe, high-speed, turbulence-free flight guilt-free too. While the clear skies of private flying may be calling, it's essential to remember that safety is paramount. From rigorous aircraft inspection to highly trained flight crews, safety regulations are stringent. And here's a pro tip: look out for operators with Argus and Wyvern safety ratings. They're the cream of the crop for safety in the private aviation industry. After navigating the skies through this journey, I bet you're as excited to jump on board a private jet as I was during my first flight. Tailored experiences, exotic destinations, unmatched comfort, and hidden jargon-free costs. We've touched the horizon, but the journey is far from over. So, shall we upgrade your travel experiences with a dash of lavish comfort and a sprinkle of exclusive privacy? These clouds have a silver lining, or maybe even gold. Private jet rentals offer time savings, unrivaled comfort, total privacy, and revel in the fact you're part of an exclusive club. After all, the sky isn't just a limit, as it's a launching pad for some of life's most exciting adventures. What are your thoughts on private jet rentals? Comment below and let's keep